today's first look, we have a beautiful 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Split-Window Custom, lot number 1403. And we have the builders, Sydney and Randy Weaver, in the studio to tell you all about it.
Hey everyone, welcome to Barrett-Jackson today, where here we have Torch. It's a 1963 split-window Corvette, one of the most iconic cars that's out there today. So Randy, why don't you tell us a little bit about what's going on with this car?
You bet. So being a high-end hot rod builder, I've always wanted to get my hands on a split-window Corvette. From the factory, these things are super cool. I just wanted to put my twist on it. So we started from the foundation up, being a Roadster Shop chassis. The motor is a GM Performance LS3 525 horse motor. We handmade these vents in-house. They did not come live functional vents. Moving on back to the car is the flush mount glass.
So Randy, give us a little bit of an idea of what goes into flush mount glass.
So when we do flush mount glass, this is a stock windshield. We build the body out and get this perfect gap all the way around the car. So it is a very time-consuming process to get this correct.
Roughly about how many hours are in a project like that?
You know, we probably have anywhere from 100 to 150 hours just in this front windshield, making it work.
There are so many different custom touches that are on this 63 split window. One of the things that I'm noticing is in through this cowl area, it looks a little different than a stock car.
That's correct. We removed all these stock vents, but did it subtly. No windshield wipers, no inset vents. The work that went into these is probably another 200 hours to make that work.
And when we talk about the split window, that's obviously two pieces of glass. So tell us a little bit about how something like that would work.
So we also flush mounted the rear glass, which there are two pieces, which means double the time. So moving back forward on this awesome car is the side pipes. And in '63, they did not come with side pipes. And I felt it gives it a more tough look. And as you look at this car, it does have the stance. It does have that really tough look. The wheels are 20 by 15 in the rear, 18 by 9 up front, and they're a one-off Budnick wrapped in Mickey Thompson rubber.
So Randy, there are a lot of things about this car that really stand out to us, but one of the things I think is really quite amazing is when you first walk up on this car, just the stance that it has from the rear end.
So when you do look at this car from the rear angle is probably the coolest shot. Being a 20-inch tire, 15 wide, this thing has some serious muscle and it shows when you see the back of it. Adding to the stylish sophistication of this car, I wanted to make these vents more shallow, so I made them about ½ inch shallower without the vent going around the side of them. So as cool as this car is on the outside, we wanted to be just as cool on the inside. So what we have are all Dakota digital gauges, Resto-Mod Air, kicker audio, power windows. It is wrapped in Hides leather, all these custom panels. And the cool thing on this car is the Stingray follows all the way through on the inside of the roofline, just to give it that extra touch.
This is such a high-end, high-caliber Resto-Mod that it really has been a pleasure to have out on the road. And it's got all of those modern creature comforts that anyone is looking for to be able to go out and spend a little bit of time out on the road. Randy, tell us a little bit about what makes this car so fun.
So what makes this car so fun is the Roadster Shop chassis for one, 14-inch wheelwood disc brakes so it stops on a dime, and that LS3 under the hood makes it a blast.
Beautiful car. It's coming to the March auction in Scottsdale, Arizona at no reserve the 20th through the 27th. See you there. Bid on this beautiful car.